The TaskForcer and imaging adapter base mount were designed for simultaneous neural imaging during operant behavior. What's unique about the imaging adapter base mount is that you can adjust X, Y, and Z positions, which allows you to adjust the TaskForcer angle under the 2-photon microscope. This is especially important for making sure the cranial window of the experimental test subject is parallel to the imaging objective. Even slight changes to the angle of the cranial window can offset regions of interest in the imaging window and sacrifice data collection. The base mount contains millimeter markings so you can precisely align the TaskForcer unit across experimental sessions that may be spaced days or even weeks apart. Although the mount was designed for the TaskForcer, it is actually sold separately and compatible with a variety of behavioral setups. For more information about the imaging adapter base mount and the TaskForcer, check out our TaskForcer product page. Thank you.